Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, I am so sorry I haven't posted a video, but guess what? It is snowy, cold, and rainy here in Chicago. And guess who slipped and fell on the ice? Yeah, this guy. So me walking right now ain't happening. I sprained my leg. But moving on, yes, we're going to make some Rice.Krispy treats in the shape of snowmen, and it's going to be really cool because the kids can eat it. Now, I've seen this on the internet, so I'm going to try it. So it's either going to be really good or really bad. Now, what I got is some Rice.Krispies, the type you get from the food pantry, the mock Rice.Krispies. And then I got, of course, some marshmallows. I got these from the dollar store. And then I got some butter from the store. Yes, I do shop. From the dollar store, I got some edible shimmer powder. It's silver, because I thought that might look cool over top of it, like ice, you know? And I got some food coloring that I might use later. We'll see how this goes. I got a lemon. I got some candy confetti things to decorate with. I got some vanilla. And I got some black icing. I got this from the dollar store. Yes. Well, not the vanilla that I bought from the store. All right. What I'm going to do right now, we're going to go over to the stove. Well, I'm going to hobble over there. And I'm going to melt down the marshmallows and the Rice.Krispies and put in my seasonings, so to speak, the way I want it to taste. Come on, let's go over. All right, nieces and nephews, I have put on a low flame about almost a stick of butter in my pot, and I'm melting it down, okay? I want to make sure this is totally melted before I put my marshmallows in. Also, I'm putting in some lemon zest. Okay, you just take your grater, take the outside of your lemon, so do that. It'll go in there. I want really bigger. Just the yellow parts, okay? Lemon zest. Now I'll put a little bit of my lemon in there, okay? I'm gonna put in just a little bit of sugar. Maybe a tablespoon, maybe. Make sure this is all mixed around. Make sure your sugar's dissolved and your butter is completely melted before you add the marshmallows. Okay? Now the butter's all melted. The sugar's dissolved all in it. I'm putting in a whole bag of marshmallows. I might do 2 depending upon if I think this is enough to make my characters. Okay. Come out of the bag now. I'm using an old non-stick pan because I've never done this before. I've seen people microwave it, but that didn't look like it was working out too well to me. I'm going to add this other bag. Like I said, I've never done this before, and I don't think that's going to be enough. Yeah. That should be enough. So I added half the other bag. I have this on a low flame because I want to melt these slowly and not burn them. Okay? Okay. Here we go. They're getting there. I suggest you stir them the whole time. I did end up using that other bag the whole bag. So I got 2 bags of marshmallows in here. I want to get this completely melted down before I add the vanilla. I might add a little extra lemon. There we go, y'all. Oh yeah, this cake is so smooth. Now, don't worry about this non-stick pan. All the Teflon that was in this thing has been washed off years ago. I'm gonna put a hint more lemon. And I'm gonna put some vanilla. Okay, and I'm gonna stir this. Turn it real low. Oh my God, it smells so good. Now, I'm gonna put, I just went, I make crap up as I go along. I'm gonna put some honey in mine. I'm putting about 1/4 cup of raw honey. Well, that sounds appetizing. Yes, I am. Okay, wait. No, that's the song. Can't do that. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Just. You know what? That's probably hot. Shouldn't do that. All right. Now I'm gonna add my Rice.Krispies. I'm gonna turn my fire off. There's no real rhyme or reason about how much you're gonna add, because just do it till you feel it's enough, y'all. I think that's enough. I've added half the bag. I added half this bag. See that? Stir these around. Stir them around. Oh, yeah. Now, oh yeah. I'm gonna stir these and get them all mixed together thoroughly, and then I'm gonna let them cool down so I can handle them. And we're gonna form them into snowmen, hopefully. All right. Okay. These came out. I let them cool down, but they're a little sticky. But that's okay. Your Uncle Chris got a plan for that. I'm gonna take this powdered sugar. Yes, this is powdered sugar. What did you think it was? And I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. Y'all naughty. Just a little bit on my hands so I could do this. Oh, make a mess. That did not work. Hold on, y'all. I just didn't let them set long enough. Okay. Oh my goodness. We're just doing round. Okay. See what I did? I'm about to clean this tray up a little bit. Let me get some more. Roll this one into a ball too. Would I suggest doing this with the kids? I mean, I guess you can if they're older, but this could get messy. Yes, it could get messy. This may not be the easiest craft I've shown you to do, but the powdered sugar does help, and it is fun. I gotta admit, it's fun. You know. All right. I should have wet my hands before I did this. In fact, that's what I'm gonna do. The trick is to keep your hands wet while you're doing this. Green dye I added off camera to these here. I'm gonna first make them into a ball. Let's see if I can form a Christmas tree. I'm making a mess, y'all. Sort of, kind of, but not really. Close enough? Let's decorate. Now I'm going to try to do this at this strange angle. I'm going to take this black icing and I'm going to make an eye. Another eye. And I'm going to do a nose. Then we're going to do a smile. The best I can. Then we're going to put in some buttons. Child, this looks a hot mess. But it's just for fun. All right. Do the same thing over here. Miss Nina's over there looking at me like, what have you created, child? She's shaking her head. Miss Nina, don't make fun of me. These look more like they should be for Halloween. Okay. Ah. Oh, yeah. Now, our little snowman. Let's take some of these sprinkle things and decorate the tree. Try and keep them on the tree. Good luck with that. We'll say the ones in the snow are the ones that blew off. Oh, this is a hot mess. All right. Now, let's take, this is so funny, y'all. This is hilarious. I put some holes in the shimmer powder. Ooh. Just to get it to sprinkle out and not all dump out. And put this on, oh, that's kind of cool. Put this on top of him and on top of this one. And especially on this tree. All right. Maybe we can salvage this after all. Now, let's make it snow. And there you have it, a Mess Deluxe snowman. Look, y'all, I embellished them. This is the best I could do. But it's all in fun. But these snowmen look like they're melting, especially that one. The tree came out pretty cool. But it's just for fun. Surrounded with some candies and sugar and stuff. It'll all be good. Nieces and nephews. These are my holiday snowmen centerpiece. And they look like they're melting away. Now, I will tell you one thing. I tasted this stuff. It's delicious. If I did this again, I don't think I would add the honey. I would definitely keep my hands wet because that's the key to that. And yeah, I don't know if but then again, if I was doing the sculptures. But I have an idea. I'm going to try to make something. Some Rice.Krispy treats flavored this way. These are good. They taste really good. But I don't hide nothing from you guys. I want you to see what's easy, what's not so easy. And or just don't work out. Like my hair today. I tell you, I fall on the ice and my hair won't act right. You have those days, okay? You have those days. But I'm thankful I'm here, and I'm even more thankful you guys are here with me. Now, let's talk meals for one. We're going to have a special segment of meals for one. Holiday meals for one person. If you're there by yourself, you're not having nobody over. Maybe you just don't have anybody to have over, or you don't want nobody to have. But you're not alone. You're with me. Nah. Okay. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. I also hope you had a good laugh, because I did. Lord have mercy. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. Yeah. All right. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. And give me some suggestions. Yes, I'm going to make some rice pudding. And I think I am going to do maybe some goulash, Christmas goulash. I got an idea about that too. I'm definitely doing my turkey loaf, because we're going to do that for Christmas. I don't know if we're going to have a turkey for Christmas. I want turkey loaf, and I love it. Turkey loaf and pork loin. A roast. All right. I'm glad to see you guys all tuning in. Thank you so much. You really make my day. Write to me. Don't forget, comment. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Hey, it's Bell.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?